Hey everybody, MiltonCraft and Man on a Mission. Hope you're having a great day. I want to come by today to talk about side hustles. So we're going to get straight into this today. We're not going to sugarcoat anything. We're going straight into it. So we know that the market today is kind of hard. Things are hard. People are having hard times keeping a job, finding a job, making ends meet. And so you have to do things to help yourself out in those type of situations. And one of the biggest things that Americans and people across the globe have learned is this thing called a side hustle. That means making money doing something outside of your regular job. So I want to talk about that real quick. I'm going to give you 5 things I think are crucial. Not crucial, I'll say 5 things you could do today to help you with your side hustle, to bring in that extra income, to make some money while you're going through these times. And I think if you just implement 1 or 2 of these things, I think it'll help you change the mindset on how important it is to start a side hustle, because nothing's changing. People are constantly getting laid off. Companies are closing. Jobs are going overseas. Factories are closing down, laying off. We saw UPS laid off 20,000. Nissan is laying off about 10,000 the next couple of weeks. So jobs are not stable. But I think if you can do some of these side hustles, it'll help you. So the first thing I want to talk about is the first side hustle I'll mention is start a YouTube channel. I started a YouTube channel back in December myself when I got fired. So I started my channel. I had 200 subscribers back in December. Now, that's not enough to get monetized on YouTube, but it's a start. But as I increased my time and wanting to learn more about YouTube, I've gained over 1,200 subscribers. So now I have 1,500 subscribers, and that's just in a few months. So you can do it. So you ask yourself, why would I do YouTube? It's not something that I'm really familiar with, not something I'm good at. But let me tell you something. There are so many people out there searching on this web for information. Other than Google search, YouTube is the second largest search engine out there. Many people are looking on how-tos. How do I fix this? How do I do this? How can I decorate my room? YouTube is the place to do it. So if you have an expertise in whatever it is, if it's building fences, if it's building boats, if it's cooking, put it on YouTube, and you'll be surprised how many people will search for you for your expertise in that specific area. And you can share with them things that they will enjoy, and then they will learn that you're a person who is reliable, and they'll continue to follow you. And before you know it, the word will spread, and you have followers, subscribers, and you'll be monetized on YouTube, and you can start making a little residual income as a side hustle. So you may say, well, I don't have the equipment and technology to do all these things for YouTube. All you need is a cell phone. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't make it hard. Start simple. Record with your cell phone. Shoot your videos, post them, and that's it. You don't have to worry about this perfect editing and all of that type of stuff. You just want to get the word out that you're good at something, sharing your skills and knowledge. So when people search for those specific skills and knowledge, your name will come up and you'll be a reliable source for them to follow when it comes to finding the things that they need. Now, the second thing I would say is monetize your skill or talent. What does that mean? If you're good at teaching, if you're good at coaching, if you're good at mentoring, monetize those things. Put those things out on platforms where you can sell those skills, like Teachable, Fiverr, Sellify, different places where people can go and get the skills. If you're good at teaching, create a course. Create a course on your computer, on your phone, and upload it to one of those apps. And people can, it's readily available. You don't have to do anything as far as money is concerned. You'll upload it, they watch it, they pay for it, and you get a commission off of it. You can't beat that. That's an easy side hustle. Because it's not something you're going out to learn about. It's something you already know, a skill that you already have inside of you that you're very good at. So don't waste those talents that you already have thinking that you're not good enough. Some of you are good at coaching. Some of you can tell a team or a person how to build their skills, how to encourage them. Mentoring, coaching, mentoring, where you can tell somebody, hey, look, if you do this, this may help your life a little bit better. So just don't fall back on those skills that you don't negate those skills that you have. Monetize them. Put them on Teachable. Put them on Fiverr. Put them on Sellify. Somewhere where people can see the skills that you have. The third thing I will say is selling digital products. Okay, digital products. You're going to say, hey, that's going to cost me some money. It's not. Because a digital product is not something you have to ship. It's something that's online. People upload it. You upload it, they download it. It's just that simple. You just create it, like something like a recipe. Put a recipe on a site somewhere where people can download your recipes, and that's money to you. Create a top 10 list. What if you did apps or something like that? What if you created an online course? People love lifestyle tips. What if you create a PDF with 10 lifestyle tips to help the new person move into a home, how to decorate it, and all that type of stuff? That's something that's sellable. And a lot of people do music, beats. People love beats, music. PDFs are one of the easiest things that you can sell as a digital product. You can create a PDF on how to make a garden, how to decorate a barn, how to decorate a one-bedroom house. Those are sellable digital products that you can use to make money as a side hustle. And you can create those in programs like Canva, Microsoft Publisher, Adobe, and there's so many different things. Even on your computer, Pages and Microsoft Word will help you create these type of products that you can use as sellable products, sellable digital products, products you don't have to spend a dime to ship to anybody. They just download it from your site. And the next one is selling on Amazon and eBay. Okay, a lot of people say, okay, Amazon and eBay really don't fool with them, but think about it. It's another opportunity to make money. You create a book, you upload it to Amazon, they sell it, they create it, they package it, they ship it out. You get a commission. What's wrong with that? There's nothing wrong with that. You can create a product, a book, a PDF, a flyer, a pamphlet, or a brochure, and upload it to Amazon. They have so many programs now out there where you can do this at no cost to you, but your product is getting out there. And people will start looking at your product, enjoying it, and then before you know it, you've got a niche. You've got a market niche that's looking for you to create products on a regular basis. So don't give up on Amazon or even Shopify, where you're selling your clothes or products you created, design, where you can create a design and then you can upload it and then people will purchase it and you'll get a % off of the sale. What's wrong with that? You didn't spend a dime on manufacturing. You didn't spend a dime on buying the product to put the logo and stuff on. You're just uploading and selling the product. That's an excellent side hustle for anyone who's looking to get started. And Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is one of the biggest marketplaces out there because people sell everything out there, from houses to boats to cars to equipment to computers. Everything is sold out there. So don't negate Facebook Marketplace as a place where you can get a side hustle going on. And the last one is to rent or lease something that you own. You're like, well, what do I have to own or I can lease? If you got 5 or 6 lawnmowers, you can't cut your grass with all 5 of them at the same time. Rent one of them out. Let somebody come rent weekly. Rent that lawnmower out. If you've got some equipment, some tools, if you've collected a whole bunch of tools you just got laying around the house, man, rent those tools out. Let somebody come rent that stuff to make you some money. If you got some space or somebody wants to come and you've got a barn out back or you've got an old shed that's just sitting there and someone wants a space to come cut glass and do their glass work, rent that space out, lease it out, make some money. You'll be surprised at all the things that you have that are sitting idle that you can benefit from. We overlook things like that because we don't see the value in it at the moment. But there's so many other side hustles along with these 5 I've just named that you can use or that you can start today to make you some money. But the first one, start that YouTube channel. Start it today. When you get through watching this video, go get your computer, turn on YouTube, create your video, create your channel, get your following, make that first video. Make it something that you're good at, that you're expert in, that you can share, that people would love to get that knowledge from you from. Do that today, man. Don't hesitate on that. Monetize those skills on Teachable, like I said. Those talents, those things that you're good at, that you can monetize and people will be glad to buy. Digital products, recipes. I mean, what is it? We're in May, so it's cooking season. Well, every day is cooking season. But there are recipes that people love this time of year for the summer pies, summer puddings, summer cakes. And if you're good at that type of stuff, create those recipes and upload them. Sell those digital products. Don't let them go to waste. Just let them sit there. Amazon, create that book. If you've been wanting to write that book, but you're like, well, I can't afford it, use Amazon. They have publishing things that you don't have to pay a dime. You create the book, you upload it, they sell it, and you split the profits. You can't beat that. And the last thing, like I said, rent or lease equipment or space that you have that's just sitting there idle, doing nothing. Take the time to look at the assets that you have, make money off of them. Even if you rent a car, I mean, you've got 6 cars, you can't drive all 6 of them at the same time. Rent one of those cars out, make some money off of it. So, hey, MiltonCraft Man on a mission. Just wanted to come by and say, hey, look, let's not overlook these side hustles in 2025. They can make us some revenue. And we need to make that revenue while we still can with everything that's going on out here in this job and this marketplace. So MiltonCraft, talk to you soon. Have a good one.